In this video, we will compare two popular graphics cards, the XFX Radeon RX 580 GTS XX Edition and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT. We will explore their specifications, performance, and value for money to help you decide which card is better suited for your gaming needs. The XFX Radeon RX 580 GTS XX Edition is a solid choice for 1080p gaming, providing decent performance for older titles. However, it struggles with modern AAA games at higher settings. On the other hand, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT offers significantly improved performance, making it suitable for 1440p gaming and even some 4K experiences. Its RDNA2 architecture and higher memory bandwidth give it a clear edge in demanding scenarios. When it comes to pricing, the XFX Radeon RX 580 GTS XX Edition is priced at $129, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. In contrast, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT comes with a higher price tag of $349. While the RX 6750 XT justifies its cost with superior performance, the RX 580 remains a viable choice for those who prioritize affordability over cutting-edge technology. The XFX Radeon RX 580 utilizes the older Polaris architecture, which, while still capable, lacks the advancements found in newer models. In contrast, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT is built on the RDNA2 architecture, offering features like ray tracing and improved efficiency. This architectural difference significantly impacts their performance and suitability for modern gaming. In conclusion, the choice between the XFX Radeon RX 580 GTS XX Edition and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT ultimately depends on your gaming needs and budget. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for 1080p gaming, the RX 580 is a solid choice. However, for those seeking top-tier performance at higher resolutions, the RX 6750 XT is the clear winner. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.